Hello, what's up and welcome to Gift Nakwame BA channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can be financially stable and diversify your income. E-commerce is an industry with billions of dollars and it's getting bigger every day. According to the statistic, the number of online shoppers has risen to more than 1 billion between 2014 to 2021. That means that there is a massive audience that you can target, and it is growing fast. If you have money and create your own online store and market your own products, or take advantage of Amazon FBA and consider launching your own private label product. On digital side of things, you can hire a team and content writers, SEO and social media marketers, and focus on developing your own affiliate marketing empire. This is a modern gold rush with individuals using Amazon to build their own successful online business without ever having to hold stock. To discover 200 profitable niches markets, there are 40 plus and resources to help you make money online. Are you ready to start earning money online? Here's a list of articles, tools and websites that will help you getting started and build a solid income right from your couch or even a bench chair if you prefer. I've broken them down to sections based on the type of your business you're considering starting and listed a bit about what do you need to be appropriate. Freelancing. How to start freelancing business, a step-to-step guide. HubSpot. ProBlogger, a job board for freelancers, particularly writers. Upwork, an online freelancers platform. Upwork. FlexJobs, remote work platforms with high number of freelance jobs in a variety of industries. FreshBooks, online accounting and invoicing software so you can track payments, send invoices, and create potential professional looking proposals. Becoming an affiliate. 21 best affiliate programs to find high niche quality products for your website. 19 examples of super affiliate websites you can emulate. For some of these sites, literally make millions of dollars in affiliate commissions. WordPress, the most popular website builder on the market. Thirsty affiliate. Affiliate marketing, management, plugin for WordPress. Your SEO WordPress plugin that makes SEO a breeze. Creating online content. Snapper browser, based digitally designed platform with easy to edit templates so you can create a professional looking visuals for your content. Grammarly, an online editing and grammar tool that serves as a second set of eyes that for writers and content creators. Answer the Public, a free keyword tool that provides questions that people are asking about specified topics, which increases traffic. How to use Udemy to generate dozens of content ideas in less than 10 minutes. Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress to make it easier to rank your target key terms. MarketMoose, AI-powered content strategy tool to help outline, create and optimize your content to rank higher in search engines. Selling online courses on third-party platforms. Profitable niches reveal some of the weird Udemy online courses platform. Skillshare, online course platform for creatives. How to create an online course with teachable video. Online case course study, the $10,000 launch. Becoming a self-published author. 5 5 things this self-published author did to sell 20,000 books with no money. KDP Wizard. This tool helps you organize, manage, and list your books on KDP. Kindle, a direct publishing. Amazon self-publishing platform. Pro Writing Aid. A grammar checker, style editor, and writing mentor, all-in-one tool. Hemingway Editor, an editing tool that helps writers look for run-on sentences, hard-to-read passages, and grammar mistakes. Publisher Rocket, a tool designed to help get your book in front of more Amazon shoppers, monetizing your social media audience. The ultimate guide to becoming an Instagram influencer and getting paid, advanced strategies for sharing platforms, and Amazon links on social media. Amazon Hootsuite, social media scheduling and monitoring platform. Isaiah, influencer marketing platform. Awario, Instagram monitoring tools with alerts for mentions, lead monitoring, and performance measures. Starting an e-commerce store. BigCommerce SaaS platform for e-commerce businesses, including a website builder, Shopify SaaS platform to building and managing an e-commerce store, Optimizely software A/B testing, tracking and optimizing your e-commerce website for any website. Google Analytics, free natives, analytics platform from Google to help you understand what products and pages are working effectively. Find data about your audience and much more. Starting a dropshipping business. How to start a dropshipping business in 2020. Obato. Alibaba, online store, online commerce company for e-commerce and dropshipping business. Obalo, site builder and manager designed for dropshipping companies. Shopify, e-commerce management platform that works with Obalo to build a fully functional dropshipping company. Launching your own label with Amazon. How to dominate the Amazon FBA and take a place in of the $175 billion pie. Keyword tool, i.e., an Amazon keyword tool to help you find niches that are selling well. Feedback Express tool to help you automate Amazon feedback requests so your products rank higher. TaskJar, automate sales tax calculation, reporting, and filing. Flipping websites. Amazon website investing guide to buy and sell profitable digital assets. How to make $1,000 a month selling startup website on Flipper. How much is your website worth? Anyhow, Moz. Flipper.com online platform for buying and selling websites. A complete guide to SEO, detailed guide to SEO to help create a profitable flip. Are you ready to make money online? No matter where you are in the world, if you have a computer and an internet connection, you can legitimately make money online. It could be a supplement for your income, via a side hustle, or you could start your own business. I could have added dozens of other earning methods to this list, as well as because there are just so many of them. Though all these methods are legit online business ideas that are suitable for beginners, I wanted to focus on methods that I consider long-term business models. Legitimate ways to make money online that will keep filling your pockets for years to come, instead of the usual make money online scams that are everywhere. Just pick one of them and start taking action, and you will find a way to make money online and a business idea that suits you. Thank you for watching. That was all for today.